Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salmon croquette patties. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 large can of salmon, typically around 15 ounces, which forms the base of our flavorful patties. To bind everything together, grab 1 large egg. For that perfect texture, have 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs ready. And for a burst of flavor, finely chop 1/4 cup of onion and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. These simple ingredients are the foundation of a truly satisfying meal. Now that you have all your ingredients, it's time to combine them. First, make sure to drain your canned salmon very well, then flake it into a large mixing bowl. Add the single large egg, the 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, your chopped onion, and fresh parsley. Season generously with salt and pepper, and for a little kick, a pinch of cayenne pepper. Mix everything gently until just combined, then form the mixture into 8 equally sized patties, each about 1 inch thick. This ensures even cooking. With your patties perfectly formed, it's time to cook them to golden perfection. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully place 4 of your salmon patties into the pan, making sure not to overcrowd them. Cook each side for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Once the first batch is done, remove them and repeat the process with the remaining 4 patties. This method ensures a delicious crust. Your delicious salmon croquette patties are now ready to be enjoyed. For the best flavor and texture, serve them immediately while they are still warm and crispy. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the top adds a wonderful brightness that complements the salmon perfectly. They pair beautifully with a light green salad or some steamed vegetables for a complete and healthy meal. If you're feeling adventurous, a creamy dill sauce makes an excellent accompaniment. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful croquettes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.